They told you the market is just price going up and down, that all you had to do was read it. But what if I told you the candles you've been taught to love are nothing more than a stage performance, a theater of deception, carefully scripted by those who already know how it ends? They call it price action. I call it the perfect lie. Watch this video to the end. Like, share, and comment. I remember my first chart. No money in my account, just free data and a dream. The candlesticks danced like they were calling me. Green meant hope, red meant fear. I believed every movement told the truth. Every breakout was real. Every trend line was sacred. But here's the thing about the market. It's a magician. And just like any magician, it doesn't matter where you think you're looking. The real trick is happening where you're not. You see, the market is not your friend. It's not even your enemy. It's a trap that pays the few with the money of the many. And when you trade price action like they teach you online, you are the many. They told you to wait for confirmation. They told you to draw lines. Support, resistance, a beautiful fairy tale, until the day you realize those levels are where liquidity lives. And liquidity is bait. Smart money doesn't chase prices. They build the stage, light the candles, and let you play your part, the losing part. I remember losing $500 in one afternoon. That wasn't just money. That was my savings, my future, my dreams. I wasn't losing to the market. I was losing to someone who was winning at my expense. Someone who understood that the chart is not a story of price. It's a story of people, their fear, their greed, their desperation. Smart money looks at the same chart, but they don't see candles. They see footprints. They see where traders are trapped, where orders are stacked, where stops are hiding. When you buy, they sell. When you panic, they collect. They use liquidity like oxygen. They create fake moves, false breakouts, aggressive spikes, deep pullbacks, to fill their lungs with your money before the real move begins. They're not trading price action. They're trading human action. They're hunting emotion. And the moment you learn to think like them, you stop being the hunted. Watch this video to the end. Like, share, and comment. Here's the cruel part. Even when you know you're being manipulated, the game pulls you back in. The rush of a winning trade, the sting of a loss. It's not just money at stake anymore. It's your identity. You tell yourself, one more trade and I'll turn it around. But the market doesn't care about your redemption story. It only rewards the ones who've broken free from needing it. My breakthrough didn't come from a strategy. It came from a question. If I was the one moving billions, how would I make the little guy lose? The answer was ugly, but it changed everything. Price action is not the truth. It's the bait. The real truth is manipulation, controlled, calculated, and centuries old. The day you stop reacting to what they show you and start anticipating what they need you to do is the day you step out of the crowd and into the shadows where smart money lives. This is not an easy road. It's not the dream they sell you in flashy ads. It's a fight, a lonely fight to see through the illusion and master the game that was designed to take everything from you. If you've listened this far, you're already different. You're already dangerous. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Like, share, and comment. But let me tell you something they don't want you to know. The market isn't just a place where money changes hands. It's a battlefield where the smart prey on the hopeful. And those pretty candles you've been staring at, they're nothing but smoke and mirrors. I used to be like you, glued to my screen, watching every tick, convinced I could predict the next move. I'd stay up all night, fueled by caffeine and the promise of that one big trade that would change everything. But all I was doing was feeding the machine. You see, while we're busy drawing our little lines and waiting for our perfect setups, the big players are orchestrating every move. They're not reacting to the market. They are the market. Think about it. When was the last time a textbook pattern actually played out perfectly? How many times have you been stopped out just before the move you predicted finally happened? It's not coincidence. It's not bad luck. It's design. The truth is, the market doesn't move on technicals. It moves on money. Big money. The kind of money that can push price wherever it wants, whenever it wants. And guess what? That money isn't interested in playing fair. It's interested in one thing only: separating you from your hard-earned cash. But here's where it gets really insidious. They don't just want your money. They want your mind. They want you addicted to the game, always chasing, always believing that next trade will be the one. Because as long as you're playing their game, they're winning. I remember the day I realized I was nothing but a pawn. I'd just blown through my last $1,000 on a trade that seemed perfect. All the indicators lined up. The chart screamed buy, and for a moment, it looked like I was right. The price surged, and I was up big. I could taste victory. Then, in the blink of an eye, it all reversed. My profit turned to dust, then to loss. I watched, helpless, as my account drained to zero. And in that moment of despair, something clicked. This wasn't random. This was orchestrated. That's when I started to see the market for what it really is. Not a place of opportunity, but a carefully constructed trap. Every rally, every dip, every consolidation, it's all part of the plan. A plan designed to separate the masses from their money. But here's the thing. Once you understand the game, you can start to play it differently. You can learn to see past the noise, past the pretty patterns, and into the heart of what's really driving price. It's not about predicting the future. It's about understanding the present. Understanding where the big money is positioned, where the traps are set, and how to avoid them. This knowledge doesn't come easy. It's not something you can learn from a YouTube guru or a $97 course. It comes from pain, from loss, from countless hours of staring at charts and wondering, what am I missing? But once you have it, everything changes. Suddenly, you're not the prey anymore. You're not reacting to the market. You're anticipating it. You're thinking like the big players, seeing the board from their perspective. This is what smart money does. They don't trade candles. They trade psychology. They create scenarios that look irresistible to the average trader, then do the exact opposite of what everyone expects. They push price up to resistance, let it tap once, twice, maybe 3 times. They let the retail traders load up on shorts, convinced this time it has to go down. Then they explode through that level, triggering a cascade of stop losses and FOMO buying. Or they'll let price drift down to a major support level, sucking in all the by-the-dip traders. Then, just when everyone thinks the bottom is in, they pull the rug out, sending price plummeting as over-leveraged longs get liquidated. This is the real game, and it's happening every single day in every single market. Forex, stocks, crypto, the instruments change, but the game remains the same. So what's the solution? How do you protect yourself from this manipulation? How do you stop being the mark and start being the player? It starts with a shift in mindset. Stop thinking about what the chart is telling you and start thinking about what it's trying to make you believe. Every pattern, every trend line, every indicator. Ask yourself, who benefits if I act on this information? Next, you need to understand liquidity. Not the textbook definition, but the real-world application. Where are the stop losses clustered? Where are the limit orders piling up? These are the areas where big moves happen, where traps are set and sprung. Finally, and most importantly, you need to learn patience. The market is always in a hurry, always trying to push you into action. But the real money is made in the waiting, in having the discipline to sit on your hands when everyone else is scrambling to trade. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about turning $100 into $1 million overnight. It's about surviving in a game that's rigged against you. It's about preserving your capital, growing it slowly but surely, and living to trade another day. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of traders out there. You're starting to see behind the curtain, to understand the true nature of the market. But understanding is just the first step. The real challenge lies in applying this knowledge, in rewiring your brain to think like the smart money. It's a long, often painful process. But for those who persevere, the rewards are life-changing. Remember, the market doesn't care about your dreams, your goals, or your financial needs. It's a ruthless machine designed to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient, from the uninformed to the informed. Which side of that equation do you want to be on? Thank you for watching this video to the end. If it's opened your eyes, even a little, to the reality of the market, then I've done my job. Like, share, and comment if you're ready to stop being a victim and start being a player. The game is always on, and now you know the rules.